So here is my Blue Apron subscription. Wanted to show you how it comes packed. This came in the mail and it comes in this like silver type of packaging, and I do feel that it's cold. Keeping it cold, I'll see in a minute. Also comes with 2 cards. These are the 2 meals I got. I got the beef and vegetable stir fry and the chicken and kale with the Weight Watchers freestyle program. See, the points are already generated. This meal is a total of 8 points, and this one is a total of 3 points. And on each card it gives you the ingredients for each, and then on the back it shows you how to prepare each meal. Like they're easy to follow. It tells you step by step here, step 1, 2, 3, and so forth. Also, and then it has the nutritional information for both meals. And this is my first time ever purchasing a meal subscription. Okay, here is the inside. So like I said, it's 2 meals. This is the meal. This is part of the kale salad. So this is your fresh kale, is to keep refrigerated. And then you also have your, what is this? You also have your bag of, what is baby boat? I don't know what that is. I never had that. I don't know. It looks like lettuce. Yes, but if y'all tried that, let me know. Then you have your carrots, and everything is individually packed. So they have all the vegetables on the top, and then I guess the meat is at the bottom. Here is all your this is for the beef and vegetable stir fry. Everything you need for that. And this is for the chicken and kale salad. Your lemon, garlic, and carrots. And at the bottom must be the meats. Okay, so that's where the cold part come in at. So it has like this big ice block to keep everything cold. So you have your meat, the beef. Okay, so I gotta see how you cook that. Have your chicken. So that's everything in here. So I'm going to cook up one of the meals, and when I do, I will show you guys after everything is done. So I'm starting off with the chicken and kale salad. So here is a list of all the ingredients. So here you have your red radish, your lemon, your yogurt, your chicken, and then I start to prepare the kale, which I already washed it. So now I'm just cutting it and getting it ready to place it in a bowl, because again, it's a salad, so I like my salad cut up. So that's what you see me doing. And then next I'll move on over to the radish, and I just cut them in halves because again, I followed the picture. And once I finish that, I place the radish inside of a clear dish, and I got those clear dishes at the Williams Sonoma. You will see that coming up pretty soon. And then once I'm done that, I move on over to my lemons. I just cut them in half, well, 4s, and then again place them in a clear bowl. And then I move on over to my sweet peppers, and then we move on to garlic, y'all. I had a hard time cutting it. I don't even know how to cut garlic, so you see me struggling here in this clip. So I don't know what I was doing. I should have probably watched the video first. So I don't know what I did wrong, but yeah, I didn't do the garlic right. So now I'm just showing you everything prepared, cut, sliced, diced, and ready to combine all together. And now I'm moving on to the next step, which is sprinkling a little bit of salt and pepper and adding some oil and lemon. I don't think the recipe called for salt and pepper. I just added the salt and pepper for flavor because I like you know, I like flavor in my food. So now I move on over to the chicken, and I take the chicken, cut it up, and I place it in a pan and make sure it's fully cooked. And once I'm finished the chicken, I start to add all the ingredients, to add the white sauce, to add with the salad. So that's what you see me here doing, and everything that I'm doing is on the card that they give you with your meal. And once I finish that, I go and stir everything up so it can be well combined. And like I said, everything is pre-packaged, so all you have to do is just open everything and just combine everything together. So once I finish that, I go and start adding the carrots. Then I think that's the red peppers, the radish, and then the chicken. And then the last step was the yogurt sauce or whatever it was called. And you guys, it was really delicious. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and until next time, bye.